Okay guys, because I have take my celana, how to say celana, Raf? Pants. And now I wanna go to my boarding house with my friend Rafa. Tadi apa sih? Often ya? Ya.
Mau ngomong ini gimana dulu?
Tadi di kelas gitu.
Back in the
Oh. Back in the class, me with my two friends, Afifi and Papik, make the configuration with the wireless. I don't know how to say it. With wireless, and we bertiga three have a problem in the first time I try to make config. Naik sepeda. Make the configuration with my friend, and but I'll try. Bukan I'll try, gimana? But I'll try supaya apa? Biar bisa gitu.
gimana sih kalimatnya?
Kayak gue berusaha biar bisa gitu. I try to make the configuration apa? Work. Apa? I try to make the configuration working, and at 9 o'clock, 9 I have clear for make the configuration with wireless, and the problem in me, on me, the problem on me because my Winbox not connect to Winbox app, but I'll try again and again aja, again until I can connect to APP laptop, and maybe enough. And thank you for watching.